What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here in the bathroom today. No, this is not a gross video. Just going to show you a toothbrush I have been using for the past couple of years. This is the Philips Sonicare HX9350. You may have heard of them. Now, this is not the little cheapo electric toothbrush that you can get, in your Walmarts or your other big box stores. This is a really nice one. I've been so pleased with it. You won't believe how well it does versus a standard toothbrush. I mean, we're not even talking in the same stratosphere of how clean your teeth will get using one of these guys. It even comes with its own little wireless charging station. So all you have to do, to charge it is just set it in that little device right there. Now the replacement brushes you can get online and at Walmart and pretty much anywhere else, and all you do is just pull it off of there, to swap it out. But you want to talk about high frequency, and it has all these different options of the cleaning that you want to do. Now they have updated this model a few times, so if you can't find this specific one, look for one that looks similar. And it will be expensive. These are well over $100. Sometimes you can find them at a good price on eBay and whatnot, but make sure that you look up Philips Sonicare and look for the high price ones. You'll be blown away at how well they do. They basically have high frequency. Let's see if we can let you hear it here. Hold on a second. Because when you push down on it is when it really activates. Listen. So when you're pushing in on your teeth, listen to that. It really goes to town. Like I said, it's got different options, and you just push which one you want to use. And it'll do it in a different frequency range, basically. I usually keep it on clean. Some of them will have deep clean, like my wife's has one that I got for her for Christmas, and it has got a deep clean option. So hers, I believe, is a little bit newer model. And then you just push the button again to turn it off. But yeah, it'll hold a charge for a very long time. So if you want to go on a trip or whatever for the week or the weekend, you can just leave it without charging it. It'll hold for several days like that. And the replacements are not all that expensive as far as the replacement brushes, and you'll notice it when the blue starts to wear down. The further down it gets, the more worn the brush gets. And, you'll notice it also when it starts to get kind of frayed on the end of the bristles there. You'll know that it's time to swap out just the head right there. And like I said, that's not a big deal. You just pop it off, basically. Let's see if I can do it with one or two hands. Yeah, you just pull it apart, basically, like that. Now, something interesting that I have noticed. If it's not really giving you a good frequency, a vibration. Let's see if we can see this here. Look inside. Okay, look inside there. See that little flat portion a little further in right there? Sometimes I have noticed that because it has a flat portion on the unit itself, sometimes you have to reverse it to get better action out of it, because it's standard to be going in with the brush facing you like that. But I have noticed that if you turn the brush around and then put it in place, you can, you'll have to push on it kind of firmly. I noticed that it works even better. Hear that? I mean, it goes to town. I like this thing so much that I got another one. I got a used one. Sometimes you can find used ones I got a used one, and I use it in the workshop for cleaning small parts. You want to talk about working great. Holy crap. It blows away any common toothbrush or any of those little $20 alleged electric toothbrushes. This thing just destroys it as far as cleaning your teeth. So, yeah, you'll notice it in the, after you've brushed your teeth, your teeth will feel nice and smooth for hours and hours afterwards. Almost like you made a trip to the dentist. Freaking awesome. Totally impressed with it. Philips Sonicare HX9350 is this one. Or if you can just look up any of them that have HX as the prefix number and in a 9000 model, if you can't find this specific one, you'll find it. And yeah, like I said, be prepared to pay a good bit of money for it, but it is well worth it, and you will be blown away just like I am. Anyway, that's all. We got other cool videos on our channel. Thought you might want to know about it. We'll do other products, and things of stuff I use around the house and stuff, razors and shavers and trimmers and stuff. Always looking for stuff to put on that you guys, might appreciate or you might like or whatever, or you might be entertained by. So Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet. We have an eBay and Amazon store and Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, 2 YouTube channels. Just look for us, and you might be surprised at what all you find that we do. That's it. My name is Biker Dave. We're in Marietta, Georgia, East Cobb area, and get ready to brush our teeth. So you'll have a good day. We'll see you.